Hey, what's up, boss saints and sinners? It's Damon Ascendant here again, back with another Pokemon card opening video. Today we're opening up the Pikachu and Zekrom GX Premium Collection. Alright, this pack includes one full art golden card of the tag team Pikachu and Zekrom. One jumbo full art card gold with Pikachu and Zekrom GX, and 10 packs of Pokemon cards, three of which would look like they're from Evolving Skies, two from Battle Styles, and 5 from Chilling Reign. As always, here's the code card. Now we're going to start with opening up the Battle Styles. Code card. 2, 3. We got Tool Jammer, Morpeko Hangry Form, Bruxious, Cacnea, Ponyard, Timber, Tepig, Glameow, a Purgly, and a full art V Flapple, and then a Steel Energy card. Consider that a good start. Pack 2 from Battle Styles. Code card. 1, 2, 3. We got Doublade, Ignite, Rapid Strike, Scroll of Swirls, Timber, Corphish, Cacnea, Mawile, Spoink, Silicobra, Colossal, and a Water Energy. Next up are the 3 Evolving Skies packs. I have a bit of a cold today, guys. My voice sounds different. Code card. 1, 2, 3. We got Lantern, Fletchinder, Rapid Strike, Scroll of Flying Dragons, Psyduck, Timple, Woobat, Bagon, Scraggy, Sharpedo, and Altaria, and a Fighting Energy card. Code card. 1, 2, 3. Got Herdier, Golduck, Hippowdon, Lillipup, Piplupatas, Feebas, Gossifleur, Woobat, Avalugg, and Ludicolo, and a Grass Energy card. That's the weirdest tear I've ever had on a card pack. Code card. 1, 2, 3. We got Avalugg, Raihan, Toycatcher, Bagon, Scraggy, Drowsy, Bergmite, Petalil, Swoobat. Oh my god! And a full art Rayquaza! Yo! That's beautiful. I gotta get this guy out of sleeve as soon as possible. That's beautiful. Look at that. That is a good pull. Gorgeous card. Beautiful legendary Pokemon. Beautiful artwork. Last up is the 5 Chilling Reign cards, which all have the different Pokemon that are promoted on the art packs. Spectre, Ghost Rider, Calyrex, Ghost Rider, Calyrex, Ice Rider, Galarian Articuno, Galarian Zapdos, and Galarian Moltres. Out of the 3, Galarian Galarian Zapdos is my favorite, while Cantonian Articuno is my favorite. Chilling Reign. One, two, three. Weeding Gloves, Avery, Flaffy, Furfrou, Venipede, Spheal, Crabrawler, Golett, Grookey, and Zeraora V. I don't think I have a Zeraora card yet, but look at that. Beautiful. That's going into the card decks. That is beautiful artwork. Look at that. Look at that artwork. Next up is Chilling Reign with Galarian Zapdos on the front of it. Code card. 1, 2, 3. We got Flannery, Crabominable, Single Strike, Scroll of Piercing. I'm assuming that's the fighting. Yeah. Oh no, it's fire. Ralts, Venipede, Bounce Sweet, Lapras, Blitzel, Seabold, and Malamar. Next up is Galarian Articuno. Code card. 1, 2, 3. Got Ledian, Old Cemetery, Impact Energy, Galarian Yunmask, Coughing, Shuffit, Squovet, Spheal, Slurpuff, Galarian Weezing, and Fire Energy. Next, we're doing Ice Rider. Code card. 1, 2, 3. We got Honey, Drizzile, Seabold, Inkay, Diglett, Scorbunny, Shuppet, Cubfu, Rapid Strike Brawly, and Grapplock. Last up is our Chilling Reign Ghost Rider Calyrex. Code card. 1, 2, 3. Echoing Horn, Seabold, Curlia, Quillfish, Galarian Slowpoke, Weedle, Clobbopus, Mareep, Galarian Farfetch'd, and God of War, an electric energy card. Now I consider this a good pull because we got Full Art Zero Aura, the promo card, a Full Art Rayquaza V card in beautiful, stunning colors, and then a V Flapple. If you guys enjoyed this If y'all enjoyed this Pokemon card opening, be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel. See you guys next time for another Pokemon card opening. Bye!